Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. I'm at the Dulles Expo Center, and we're going to go to the 2021 Greenberg Toy Train Show. Let's go take a look inside.
Thank you.
All right, it was $11 cash only. I used to have one of those. Matter of fact, I used to belong to that club, the Florida Garden Railway Society. And we had our 12th annual National Garden Railway in Orlando, Florida, back in '96. Wow. I used to have a whole bunch of LGB trains, but I sold them all. Whole bunch of Department 56.
Gotta be neat. Especially if you're taking their pictures.
The Cato in scale. Definitely a good variety here. In scale, HO, GO, Lionel, Cato, LGB, you name it, it's here.
Oh, I can get these guys.
1937 Life magazine with a Lionel Hudson article. Excellent condition, $85. Back then, it sold for 10 cents.
I've seen them go for like over 10. That is amazing. I love it. When I get my last one, this thing's got power. This engine right here. That blue comet, something else, huh?
Oh, that thing is sweet. Blue Comet, and I think it's $3,995. That is sweet right there. There's some great buildings here. We got a UFO, Piggly Wiggly. Oh, look at this. These fire trucks come in and out. Always a Starbucks. A lot of Thomas the Tank Engine. I like this, the Blue Comet. It's a 4-car set for $575. Beautiful. And then this guy right here, this guy, his name is Ralph, Ralph's Trains. He's on YouTube, check him out. This O scale, beautiful stuff here. I mean, the detail on a lot of this is amazing. Then we got 3D printed trucks. Ralph is back there somewhere. I see him. There's his hand. Check him out on YouTube. He's got some really cool stuff. There's one of his cards. And if you don't want to do O scale, they got HO. You're not going to find these anywhere else, only at Ralph's.
The door prize drawing. You can sign up at the table at the
I like this.
front
What's your
public
scale?
entrance.
How you doing?
Good. How was everything?
Good. Pretty neat little device there, huh?
Well, for all my Pittsburgh Steeler fans, it's Pittsburgh Steeler train. A lot of Pittsburgh stuff. And some Super Bowl trains. Dale Earnhardt Jr. electric train set, right next to a Tony Stewart train set and a Jeff Gordon. Train sets ready to go. You can buy. This one's $650 or best cash offer. It's a Cato N scale. Another Cato N scale. This one's pretty cool. This one is $950. Cool cityscape. Nice fall scape here. Got 2 trains running. This section back here, all the t-shirts and hats, stickers. the apparel section, which most people would call this. A lot of great shirts here. Stickers, patches, drink holders, coffee mugs. Get your 2022 calendar. These are blankets right here. I think these are metal plates. Yep. Metal plates. Might be able to find your favorite pin or button in here. Single tracks, double track trestles. Most of this looks like it's all HO stuff. There's a whole wall full of this stuff. A beautiful Union Pacific set here. Wisconsin Central. A lot of vintage toys, old train toys, not plastic, steel. Modular Club HO scale layout.
You want this inside?
Oh, this is like Point of Rocks. We've been there. A lot of people rail fan in Point of Rocks. Uh-oh, we lost some. Washington and Old Dominion S Gauge Club. Pretty good size modular layout here. This train here is moving pretty good. American Flyer Freight. Oh, excuse me. I think all these are American flyers.
A lot of stuff.
Like for real clean so that you can use it.
Right.
Oh, some very old American flyer controllers. There's a pretty good crowd here. Of course, the show is a lot smaller than in years past, but nevertheless, a lot to see here, a lot to do, a lot of hands-on stuff, tons of trains, buildings, patches, hats, you name it, old toys. Really good show this year, and I think that's going to do it from the Greenberg Toy Train Show. And on that note, Traveler out.